Hello, welcome back. This is World Olympiad Mathematics, an international YouTube platform. Today, day 146. All subscribers, thank you so much. You are the witness of my this video series. Newcomers, please subscribe and share this World International Mathematics in three mediums: Sinhala, Tamil, English. Hemota Boma Stuti. Anivarkum Nandri. Okay, today a long work. Come back today, day 146. Day 146 to this YouTube platform. Today, nice geometry question, two problems. I'll come back one by one. The problem of find the circle area. Find the area of the circle. Me vuruthe vargapale soyanna. Me vattatin parappalavai kaanga. You know, area of a circle pi r square. Area of a circle pi r square. So if you know the radius, then everything is solvable. Araya dannawa nang vede goda. Araya danna hai. Deka sama problem, right? Okay, come back. First you read the question properly, but under a circle, somewhere here, center, somewhere here. Okay. A straight line, secant. Kapagana yana vuruthe kapenawa ati. Intersect the circle at S and R here 14. T is an external point here, a tangent drawn, right? This is a tangent drawn. And also from T, this is a tangent, sparshaka, totally, and vetti. On a capillayana chedana rekavak, evagime sparshaka. We call secant, a secant and a tangent, right? This is 18, okay? And find the area of the circle. So if I show from the beginning so many geometrical principles to need maybe for this answer. Okay, see this, can I take this is x, this is y, okay? I take that x and y, then I apply some relation in terms of x and y. X age soyamu, y in perumanathe kaanbom. X, y dekama hoyanda wenawa. X, y rendein kaanavanam. So you need some couple of equations. Poddak mang oppu karla enna. I'll prove the theorem but we use. If you refer the theorem called description or theorem, but that's called tangent secant theorem. I will show that. I come here. A circle, okay, from one point, a tangent drawn. I take the touching point is A, right? And the line intersect. I take this cuts at A here and B here. Okay, this is the external point. I say T. Yes, B, Kiamko. Yes, C, right? So I will show here what do you mean that tangent secant theorem. If you're clear, you can apply this part. So from T, a tangent drawn, from T, tangent drawn, and cut intersect TB and BC, right? So TA square, kila patangano theorem ekak tiyena. TA square equal TB into TC. Ehmada. TA square equal sparshaka vargaya. Todaliyin vargam equal TB into TC. I will prove. We can ask the all-level students to prove that using a similar triangle. There's a construction. What the yakaramu? Can I join this and this on a construction kara? So see small triangle and the big triangle. Taggala karamu e copy. Triangle TAC. Triangle TAC, the big one. And the inner one ABC gamuda. Triangle ABC, right? Can I mark some parts? Angles are equal. So this is common angle ni the podu ABT corner is ABT TAC, yes, TAC the big one. ABC this ABT large one and this one, okay? So what are the angles equal here? Tangent chord. Tangent chord, this angle equal to this, is it? alternate segment ඒකාන්ත වෘත්ත කාණ්ඩාංක කෝණ ගැන බලන්න. ஒரே ஒன்று விட்ட வட்ட துண்ட கோணம் totally tangent chord this angle equal to this angle, right? TAC big triangle and ABT gamu neda ABT triangle, properly select two triangle, small one big one, this angle equal to this, the small triangle this one, large triangle this one, right? This is common angle. Therefore, these two triangles similar, equiangular, samakona trikona, right? Samakoni, samakona mukonigal. Therefore, we can write the ratio. Ne? Take this angle, small triangle first gamuda. This one TB over this angle, biggest triangle equal to this opposite TA. Yes, equal. Can I take which one? This one, the third tunmani kone gamu. Opposite TA, yes. Nayamai. This angle equal to the biggest triangle. Small triangle, large triangle. Small triangle, large triangle. May kone make it samana venama iti hariyata balanda. Opposite TC. Wow. So cross multiple namai. Therefore, TA square. TA square equal TB into TC, is it? TA square equal TB into TC, famous geometry of circle, that's called tangent secant theorem. Onna kelima daanda detana this theorem. How that? TA square, length of the tangent x square equal x square equal I මොකද කොහමද TB into TC, right? Small and the longest from the external point, small is y into the longest y plus 14. Okay, right, number one. Okay, that is number one, first equation. Now we try another equation to find in terms of x and y. That also I can prove. Balanda, that's the triangle, right angle triangle. Kiyamuko ABC. I can take the same, I think. Q here, okay. This is V. This is R. Here perpendicular drawn, say T. I mark the QT is X, okay. TS, no TS here. TR, what is TR? TR y plus 14. So once again, you know that equiangular triangle, samakoni trikona, watapara kapi patangamo, so many methods of so many equiangular methods. See, if I first time mark this angle here completely 90, can I take this is theta lamai, theta gamu the theta. So completely 90. If it's 40 here 50. If it's 60 here 30. If it's 20 here 70. Big triangle here 90 neither. So theta 90 minus theta. Okay. 90 minus theta. Here theta, here 90. On the mehet 90 minus theta. Therefore, see, will you? This triangle equiangular, mekai samakoni trikona yelboddavai. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Anurupa pada samanupatai. Okay. And may take this triangle opposite x. Okay. So here this is theta. Okay. Opposite y plus 14 equal what? Take this VT 18. See, they are 18. Opposite 90 minus theta 18 over x. Wow, another equation. Cross multiple lamai x square equal 18 into y plus 14. Hari neda wade. Second equation, right? දෙකම කෙනෙක් කරමුද දෙකම සමාන equate the both. Therefore 1 comma 2 gives you 1 comma 2 y into y plus 14, okay, equal 18 into y plus 14. Is it okay? හරිද? This is unedited video. කිසිම රංගපෑමක් නැහැ. පන්ති කාමරේ කොහමද මම උගන්වන්නේ ඒ වගේම හැදුවා. අන්තර්ජාලයට දැම්මා. World International Mathematics. Oh, y plus 4 cancel. Okay, is okay. Y equal 18, is it? Y equal 18. හරිද? Y equal 18. Y equal to 18. 18. Okay. Now see, what is x on වෙනවද අපිට? X is what? X, y is 18. එමුද මෙතනට x. Y is 18. What is x square? Well, x gamuda. Y is 18. So the first equation also you can. First equation, x square is 18 into 32. Okay. Harida, balanda harida. There's a value, x square, there's a value. Okay. X square. You know the x therefore. Okay, then apita mage target එක find the what? Radius of the circle. Radius gatta නම් වැඩේ ගොඩ. Okay, lamai, come here. This is center, right? This is tangent. So you know radius perpendicular to tangent, right angle to tangent, right? Right angle to tangent. Radius perpendicular to tangent. Okay. See another one, you know that if I draw a perpendicular to the chord, SR is the chord, right? SR is the chord. If you draw a perpendicular to the chord, it bisect it. Bisect වෙනවා නේද? Make a 14, so here 7, here 7, okay. So 25, 25, 18 plus 7, 25, 25, okay, 25. So here 25, is it? The square or rectangle? Square hari rectangle is a rectangle. Opposite not same. X age onnat naha neda. X value not necessary. This is 25. 25 here 25. So radius 25. Okay. Radius 25. So that's the technique lama. You have to find the y answer. That is enough, not necessarily the x value. X age ඕනේ නැහැ කියලා හිතනවා. එහෙමද? So radius 25. Therefore area of the circle pi r square. That is pi value r square 25 square. That is 625 square units. 625 square units. The area of the circle. Area of the circle 625 square units. So newcomers, please subscribe and share these all over the world. I have worked more than 300 plus questions. Continuous day by day workouts for international Olympiad contest or school level, zonal level, provincial level, Kalapiya, Palat, Antarpalat, district, national, any type of mathematics workout මෙතන උපරිම help එකක් දෙනවා. ලස්සන පොතක් හදාගෙන නියම වැඩකට අරන් යමු. Okay, ළමයි, come back. Next question. Read the problem clearly. So the description, you have the WhatsApp group. The problem is available before come to this series. A video දකින්න කලින් බලන්න කලින් තමන් full try කරලා ආවා නම් this is one of the method. සර්ලා මැඩම්ලා තවත් method හදන් ඉන්නවා කියලා මම දන්නවා. Okay. But the answer is same, ne? The antima solution, same answer, right? Okay, come back to this question. O is center. O is center, lamai. This is chord, right? And here drawn perpendicular. This is 10 units, okay? 10 units. Here 6 times root 5, right? 6 times root 5. 6 times root 5. Here 90, make it here. So he also find the area of the circle. Vattatin parappala vekanga. so අපිට අරය දන්නවා නම් වැඩේ ගොඩ. ඔන්න අරය හොයන්න එක තමයි කේස් එක, right? Day 146 for international mathematics. Okay. Here also I do some calculation part මොනවාරි එකක් දාමු බලන්න. So can I mark this is y දාන්නම්කෝ මේක x කියලා කියමු. Okay, this is x. You know the from center of a circle perpendicular drawn to a chord. Perpendicular drawn to a chord. Bisect the chord. PR equal to RT, right? PR equal to RT. From the center of a circle, if you draw a perpendicular, bisect that chord, right? Okay. අවශ්‍ය දේ ඔක්කොම ගමු. So I think here also equiangular idea, is it? So here perpendicular drawn. So what is this answer? X plus 6 root 5. On a mekat lamai x plus 6 root 5 neda. Okay. I take the radius is r. Araya r kila kiyamu. Araya r kila kiyanna. Okay. I make a y. I put x down. Make x kila kiyanna. No problem, no problem. Here I say y. Therefore, y plus 6 root 5. So, if the radius is r, here x. Therefore, balance part. Radius minus x. Okay. Radius minus x. Neda. Okay. Then, yamak copy xy aragane tamai anta venwa. To find the answer, you need the x value and the r value. So, here also you can use something what we called equiangular triangles. Balamuda poddak wenama daganna. My target always show different pictured brief methods. මම උගන්වන්නේ මේ ප්‍රශ්නය පමණක් නොව ඊට වගේ මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න තවත් එනවා නම් you can simply follow these techniques. Okay, ලස්සන්ට හදලා තියාගන්න නිතරම කියනවා අලුත් ළමයි අලුත් subscribers follow the way. Okay, so this is theta, for example, theta, right? Completely 90, so here 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. This I mark this x. This is y, okay. And this is y plus 6 root 5, okay. So also small triangle and the big one here, theta, 90. This is 90 minus theta. This is s. So equiangular triangle very helpful us using such a geometrical question. Neda. Balamuda hariyata vede under. So can I write some ratios? See, I think a small triangle, this side triangle, equiangular. Can I write something? Okkama roope pennuwa kaling prashna also I have shown briefly. So I minimize the step. So here mukkonam triangle QRS equiangular triangle SRT, okay. Equiangular එහෙමනම් opposite theta x over lamai x over here 90 minus theta here theta නම් 90 නම් ඉංග theta තානේ හරිද බලන්න x over y plus 6 root 5, okay, equal 90 minus make a y over metana x onna vede. Okay, therefore interesting work. Cross multiple lamai x square equal y into y plus 6 root 5, okay. Can I take number 1 first equation? Then api 10ත් එක්ක තවත් ලං වෙමු ලේසි කරගමු. Take the one triangle and the big one. Take a one small triangle and the big one also. Equiangular triangle, is it? Take small triangle and the largest triangle gamuda api. See, will you triangle SQR, triangle SQR and the big one QST lamai harida, triangle QST. The both equiangular neda. The big one here 90, small one here 90. The big one here theta. Okay, here theta, small one here also theta. Common wagena. Largest triangle here theta. Largest triangle here 90. Small triangle here 90. So third angle is this. Liamu the equiangular triangle common corresponding sides are proportional. Another relation in terms of theta damuda. I take the big 90 degrees opposite 2y plus 6 root 5. 2y plus 6 root 5, okay, over here 90 opposite 10, okay. Haride balanda big triangle 90 opposite otta pakkam, small triangle opposite 90 araka vede goda. Next gamuda api big triangle numerator 90 minus theta opposite 10, okay, over small triangle 90 minus theta opposite y, right? Niyama vada, okay, vadi varai. So find the y value. After find the y, apita oranna x එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, cross multiple lamai, cross multiple 2y square plus r වර්ගමූலம் 5y equal to 100, okay, a quadratic equation in terms of y. y වලින් අපිට වර්ගජ සමීකරණයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඳ චුට්ටි වෙලාවක ඉවර කරනවා. maximum I target 20 minutes. So can I cut by 2? කපලා දාන්නකො ළමයි. y square plus 3 root 5 minus 50, okay. So you can factorize that. The problem is surds වර්ගමූල වලින් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ factorize කරන්න පුළුවන්. 3යි වර්ගමූල 5 multiple කරානම් 50 එන්න ඕනේ. 5යි 2යි අඩු කරාම 2 යන්න පුළුවන්. So this can be y square 5 root 5 minus 2 root 5 y එකක් තියෙනවා. අදිසි වෙන්න එපා. මං no editing, unedited natural way පන්ති කාමරේ වගේම ආය action දාලා රෝමියෝ හදලා දාන්න බෑ. sometime damn doom wrong වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, පොඩ්ඩක් miss වෙන්න පුළුවන්. බලන්න හරි නේද? yes, we multiply this toward the answer. 5 times to 10 root 5 5 10 times 5, yes. So take the y out, y plus root y out 5 root 5. The same the other side, therefore take the minus yes 2 root 5 ganda puluwang. So will you y minus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Is it okay? So check will you? Yes, minus plus root 5 5 times 10 50. Yes. So factorize y plus 5 root 5 y minus 2 root 5 equal to 0. So 2 parts equal to 0. Y has two solutions. Minus 5 root 5 or 2 root 5. So we won't take minus answer, lamai. Therefore, this is the y answer 2 root 5, right? Y is 2 root 5, okay? So you know the y answer 2 root 5. You know the y answer 2 root 5. On x agate balamuda, what is x? Go to your first equation. First equation, x square equal y4 2 root 5, okay, harida, into 2 and 6, 8 root 5, right? 8 root 5. This is the x square answer. From that we can find the x square once again. Root 5, 5, 16 times 5. Otherwise, lamai, what is that? Put the square root 4 root 5. Ne, the vargamoolam. 4 murai vargamoolam 5. On the most parts over. X is over, y is over, right? Okay, now think about a special geometry. Already those are following regular basis. Newcomer, there's a message for get the full opportunity advantage of this my video series. Go to my day 1 and follow regular base. Prepare a notebook and tick that. Then you know how my teaching. Because some of question I have already shown some necessary things earlier. So I think the next part of geometry of property is chord theorem, intersection chord theorem. Check that. intersection chord theorem, for example, A, B, C, D. So you can use similar triangles because join කරගන්න ත්‍රිකෝණ දෙකක් එනවා. මම කෙලින්ම දාන්න යන්නේ මම කරලා තියෙනවා. A into B, A to B equals C into D ළමයි. We have that. You join this, join කරලා proof this angle සමානයි, this සමානයි. So see my next method. I work another construction. Say this, can I join this here? Join ලස්සනට තියාගන්න center here. So chord theorems S R over this, P this into that. Chord relation, right? That is X, yeah, radius R, okay? So X into 2R minus X, okay? 2R minus X equal this intersection. You know, Y answer, Y 2 root 5, 2 root 5, 2 root 5, 8 root 5. Once again, 8 root 5, because chord perpendicular bisect this, bisect that, okay? Refer the chord theorem. X over this, X into this into this. Therefore, my X, you know, X into 2R minus X equal here 64 into 5. So find, write your X answer. Write your X answer is, apply and find the value. You know the X answer 4 root 5. Here 4 root 5. Also something you can simplify there, 64 5. So from this you can find the radius answer. Once you know the radius, say pi r square circle area. So I hope you can finish the rest of the parts. Timing very important. Maximum 20 minutes my target. So here substitute the X or 2R minus X into 6 5. Here Y is 2, 8 root 5, again 8 root 5. Here 8 64 times 5. So simplify, I hope you can. So what is I give some 2R minus X under the 4 root 5. This X divide by the other side. X4 4 root 5. We can cut this 1680 over root 5. Once again, take this other side, find the radius. So answer pi r square. A fantastic geometric problem. Most part here similar triangle and secant tangent theorem. That also from the first principles. Palamuani Muladharma equiangular triangle. Okay, we'll see next time. A fantastic approach for the international problem solving, world Olympiad, mathematics, school, provincial, district, any type of mathematics contest.